Apple just introduced Apple Intelligence, bringing AI-powered tools directly into macOS. With smarter text editing, intuitive photo search, and a more capable Siri, these updates have real potential to enhance productivity and workflow efficiency. Let's break down what actually matters. Photo search on your Mac got even smarter. With AI-powered search, you can describe what you're looking for, like dog wearing clothes, and macOS intelligently finds the right images. No more endlessly scrolling through your entire library. The new AI-powered cleanup tool makes quick edits effortless. Whether it's removing distractions or unwanted text, macOS now lets you refine images instantly. No need for advanced editing software. Apple Intelligence brings a new level of efficiency to macOS with advanced text tools. Whether you're drafting an important email or fine-tuning a report, these AI-powered tools help ensure clarity and right tone with minimal effort. No more sifting through lengthy documents. Apple Intelligence quickly distills key points, making information easier to digest and act on. Siri is now more responsive and capable than ever, leveraging ChatGPT for smarter, more contextual responses. Plan a trip between downtown SF to Santa Rosa with scenic stops in between. Siri is now more responsive and capable than ever, leveraging ChatGPT for smarter, more contextual responses. Generate a headshot image with ChatGPT of a dental hygienist. Whether you're planning a trip or brainstorming ideas, this integration brings real utility to voice assistants. Mac just got way smarter. Are we feeling this update or not? Let me know below.